Welcome to Just a Drunk White Girl. I'm Just a Drunk White Girl and welcome to my home bar. So fun fact about me, apparently I'm getting very old now because after drinking the first attempt at this cocktail, like my practice round, I got the worst heartburn ever. But nevertheless, I'm gonna take one for the team and add my submission to the Spice on the Rocks 2021 challenge. And the funny thing is, I was originally going to do a much less spicy cocktail for this. I was going to do like a spicy margarita, but apparently that's what everybody else wanted to do too. So in an attempt to widen the range of the types of cocktails that are submitted to this challenge, and also pander to my inner teenager who still needs to be different, I decided to go in a totally different direction. Also, I remembered that although I am a complete and total wuss whenever it comes to like jalapeno spicy pepper and like spicy peppers and stuff like that, when it comes to things like horseradish, I'm a pro. I'm gonna regret this so much later. So today I'm gonna share with you all my favorite variation on the Bloody Mary, which I like to call Bloody Confused. You'll see why later. So first things first, we're gonna rim our glass. I like to make them in hurricane glasses. And I have here a mixture of salt, Cajun seasoning, and chili powder. Try one of these onions. All right, all rimmed up. That doesn't sound good. We'll set this aside. I also have a bunch of pre-made garnishes over here, which, as you can tell, I have no idea what I'm doing whenever it comes to garnishing. At least whenever it comes to like Bloody Mary garnishes. I tried. I don't really know what this even is supposed to be. We're moving on. We have our shaker tin, fill it up with a little bit of ice, and then we are going to add a tablespoon of horseradish. Now, my tablespoon ain't gonna fit though, so I'm just gonna put 3 teaspoons in instead. Alright, that should work. Alright, then we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. You can also do 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, but I ran out, so we're just using the minced. Next is a 1/2 teaspoon of stone ground mustard. I know it's weird, it's everything in the kitchen sink. Next we're gonna do a 1/2 fluid ounce of lemon juice and a 1/4 ounce of Worcester. And I know that's not how you say it. Don't correct me. That is how I grew up saying it, and that is how I will continue to say it. No one knows how to say that word anyways. So I'm just going to, fill the lemon juice up to the 1/2 ounce mark and then fill it up the rest of the way to the 3/4 mark with this. You know, math, simple math. All right, next we are going to add in a tablespoon worth of pickle juice. I feel like I'm probably losing some of you guys by now, but just trust me. So if you've seen any of my other videos, you can probably tell by now that I am a pretty simple girl with simple taste, who simply likes cocktails that are simply strong AF. But for some reason, whenever I make a Bloody Mary, I feel like I have to add in everything and also the kitchen sink. Which brings me to this special Bloody Mary blend of 9 herbs and spices that I use in all my Bloody Marys. Now, I don't want this video to just be 5 minutes of me measuring out spices, so I just already pre-mixed everything here, and I'm going to probably like right around here list all of the ingredients for you, and they will also, the whole recipe will be in the description too, so. Alrighty, now time for the good stuff. It is time to add in the vodka. I'm gonna use this cucumber lime vodka. One of the bartenders at one of my, I think this is what he was talking about anyways. There's a bartender at one of my bars that told me about that. Apparently it tasted really good in Bloody Mary, so I tried it and it does, so. I think this is the one he was referring to anyways. But yeah, so we're gonna add in some cucumber lime vodka and also some gin and tequila and rum. Starting to see why I call it Bloody Confused. Just all of the things. There's just all of the things. Is it a Bloody Mary? Is it a Long Island with tomato juice? Is it lunch? Like, who knows? Is it a drink? Is it a snack? Alright, so we're going to add in 1 ounce of each of these. Because as I said before, although my Bloody Mary may be complicated AF, I still want it to be simply strong AF. I'm trying so hard not to swear. Alright, so an ounce of tequila, an ounce of gin, an ounce of vodka, an ounce of rum. I actually like to use vegetable juice instead of tomato juice. I mean, they're basically the same thing, but I don't know. I feel like the vegetable juice adds like a little bit of extra flavor to it. All right, and now we are going to shake it for until it feels right. Grab your glass and carefully just dump it all in there. Alright, now for the fun part. Let's have a little sprig of rosemary and stick in there. I don't know what this is, but I thought it kind of looked cool. So little sweet peppers that are in there. Honestly, I don't know what I was thinking with that one. I'm just gonna leave it. So stupid. But I also did make some shrimp ahead of time. So let's skewer some of that here. Let's do a lemon. Will you skewer a lemon? Probably not. Probably do it. You know what? I'm gonna do it this way. You're gonna have some roasted garlic cloves here too. And there we have it, folks. The Bloody Confused. All right, and now try it. I feel like I probably should have shaken that up a little bit longer. You know, I do have to say, I could probably use more horseradish actually. I'm not sure if it's just from me eating horseradish all day. Now my like taste buds are just like, that's like nothing to them now, because normally, like, I mean, when I made this recipe earlier today, when I made sure like what all the measurements are, because I normally just eyeball it whenever I make it myself, it definitely seemed like it was a lot stronger. It is not one good Bloody Mary. I don't care what anybody says. Best Bloody Mary we can ever have. I'm gonna regret drinking this as fast as I am right now. I can already feel the heartburn. Alright, well, I'm gonna go take some antacids. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and comment down below if you try this recipe, or let me know what your favorite Bloody Mary variation is. And please subscribe if you guys want to see more of my drunken antics every week with occasional like practical advice and cocktail recipes mixed in. I'm gonna go take an antacid, but thanks again for watching and have a wonderful, amazing, awesome rest of your day.